I'm fixing to go pick up some dog food. All right, I'll be back in. I'll be back in a little bit. Hey, what's going on out there, everybody? Hey, I'm back with another video. Check this out, though. I'm just coming. Man, life of a dog breeder. One-on-one. One thing y'all gotta understand. It's cold out here. Actually, I didn't turn the heat on last night in the kennel. I wanted to see what it was gonna feel like, really. Which is, it's a little nippy up in there, but it's not that bad. And it's about to get extremely cold. So at the end of the day, I know I gotta get this feed. So I'm about to get ready to run to the store, pick up some bags of feed, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Yeah, let's go, y'all. Man, first off, y'all, it's cold. It's cold. I gotta get a battery. It's cold, y'all. I gotta get a battery for that truck. So guess what? This gonna be one of the main things I'm gonna tell y'all top. Battery dead in the truck. Extremely cold out here. I mean, there's a lot going on. So I gotta go pick up this dog food. No excuses. No excuses, meaning if we gotta get these bags of feed in this car, we're gonna get them up in here, but we gotta go get that feed. And it is cold, cold, cold. Do y'all hear me? It's gonna get worse. But we ready for it. So we about to get ready to go around here and pick up some feed. I don't really think they really a fan of just recording in there, but I'm gonna probably just hold my phone and get footage like that. Well, it might be, I'm gonna just see how it go. If I can, I can. If I can't, I'll just get it whenever they get ready to load it up. All right, y'all, let's go. Okay, y'all, we done made it. Gotta go in and get this feed. What's going on, y'all? All right. Hey, how you doing? Value pack black bags. I need 5 black bags and 5 red.
It's gonna be $329.83.
We want the cream, y'all can keep the fame. Yeah, we both deal with bullies, but we ain't the same. My dog chain got a flawless choker. When I got that recipe, I told him game over. Accelerated up an echelon. If you got your money right, come and get your son. Is a man best friend. Treat him right. Both of y'all gon' win and say a dog. Is a man best friend. Treat him right. Both of y'all gon' win. I'm talking.
You can show them that back.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
All right.
I'm talking win-win. I'm talking win-win.
Okay, y'all, we just got the feed.
I'm talking win-win.
I know if y'all probably heard them. I got 5 black bags and I got 5 red bags. And actually 2 of those bags I'm actually getting for someone else. Cause they had tried to feed, but they was feeding and I had I actually don't need that. And what I did was telling them about it. They kept on seeing my little videos asking. And so I told them it's worth a try. And they tried 2 bags. And y'all can see I'm getting them 2 more, right? And so just letting me know when you're getting your feed. Hey, I said, put me down. I said, all right, I got you. So we just got the 10 bags of feed, 5 and 5, and it came to $329. $329 for 10 bags. I think that's pretty good. They got to eat, though. They got to eat. Headed right here to pick up this feed. Load it up. I know they're going to probably look crazy. We got to get it in this car. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. What's going on, man?
Not much. What you getting?
I'm getting 5 and 5. The black bag and red bag of value pack. We're gonna see if we can get them, squeeze them up in here.
We should be able to get 5. Yeah, we'll get 5 on each side.
Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Hang tight.
Ain't no way. You got to be freaking kidding me. What? Fake development. What about it?
2112. Hold up. Y'all got to put some tape on this bag right there.
Yes, sir.
It's starting to run out. Y'all can see. This is Value Pack headquarters right here. And like I say, they got red bags. And they got the blue bags. 2618. And then the brown bags, they 2112. Purple. Black. Plenty of black and red. Inquire about that brown next time in the summertime. Oh, they gonna work, ain't it?
Sorry.
I said they gonna work. See,
We might be able to get one more.
put one on the floor right here and squeeze it down. Hold up, y'all. Hold on.
I got one more red.
Huh?
I got one more red.
Yeah, that's all looking like. Drop it down the side right there. Yeah, we can put a black there because we have 5 black and then the other 4 go on that other side. Man, that's gonna work out perfect. It's gonna be loaded up though, but it's gonna work. Slide this seat up a little bit, y'all. Man, it's trying to get cold out here.
You want it, Joe?
Yeah. You still got that receipt too?
Yes, sir. It's in
Okay,
here.
all right.
All right, boss man.
All right. Yeah, let me get that receipt back. We'll get it closed. We'll get it closed. There you go. Yeah, that receipt there, she said just show it to you for the feed. That's our personal receipt there.
I think that's a team get to
Ooh, it's cold out here. My car squatted down. Hey,
Might as well use that though.
y'all don't get too cold out here, man. All right, y'all take it easy. All right, y'all. We done got this feed. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. We load it down. And when I say we load it down, we load it down. So we got to go back and unload this feed. And we're going to leave 2 bags in here. Let y'all see. And I'm gonna leave 2 bags in because when I go to work tonight, the guy be there. He gonna go ahead and get his 2 bags of feed. I know he waiting on them. I know if he watching this video, I got your feed coming, my guy. So I'm about to head back to the house. Hey, let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, we done made it back to the kennel. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all too. I mean, I like to kind of keep it real with y'all. Now, it's pretty chill out here, you know what I'm saying? Pretty cold out here. Normally, I'll just have my son get the feed, and I normally don't get the feed out. I normally just have him get the feed, but I got more bags, and then it's a little chill out here, so I'm gonna actually help him this time. But the reason that I do let him get all the feed is to try to teach him, responsibilities and teach him, different things in life, that life do not owe you anything. At the end of the day, life don't owe you anything. If you want something bad enough and you want to make something happen, you got to go out and do it yourself. It's like saying if you bought this feed and you really didn't want to unload it and nobody else is around to unload it, what you think gonna happen? That feed gonna sit right there. But you can sit here and you can talk about it and be negative about it. But at the end of the day, if you just go ahead and get it and don't think about how many bags it is and this, that, and another, and just go ahead and get it, you'll be finished. And that chore, that little part of the project or whatever in your life will be over with. But you just got to go ahead and get it. So just going to share that little quick tip with y'all, but I'm going to actually help him with this feed this time. So I might not get them all, but I'm going to grab 10 of them. Well, 2 of them staying anyway, so yeah, I'm going to help him with a couple of them. Too many. You got to learn. And you let him learn now. Hey, thank you later. So what we're going to do, hold on, you got to move this chair and stuff so you can come through. You don't want all this stuff anyway. 2 of those red bags, they going to stay. Because, I got to take them to the guy at the job when you getting 2 of them. So everything else coming in, we'll put red on one side, black bags on the other side. All right, so you go ahead and start grabbing them. I'm going to help you. Do you need my help? Huh? Oh, you got it. Yes, what? You got it? Yes, you need my help. I can't hear you. Oh, you need my help? All right, y'all, we'll be right back. Hey, he fixing to get ready to start feeding. But we done got the feed and stuff loaded up. I'm gonna put in. Excuse me, y'all. Then we already put some bags in. So the dog fixing to get ready to start cutting up. Got the ringleader, Zeus. He gonna be making up all that noise. Zeus, chill, dude. Come on, man. We gonna feed you. But I say y'all, we inside the kennel. You ready to feed? Hey, have you been mopping this side? Or you been spraying it? You been mopping or spraying it? Oh, you did? Okay. I mean, you good. Just go ahead and feed. Like I say, y'all, that's gonna be it. Like I say, we inside the kennel. What's wrong? But I just wanted y'all to go on a trip with me to go pick up some dog food. We're gonna have to go ahead and get off of this video because these dogs ready to eat. They gotta eat. They know it's value pack time. So we going ahead and feed these dogs, or they gonna be cutting up until they get what they want. So again, y'all, hey, thanks for watching.